My name is Sasko Cuklev. I'm heading up the on-road solutions organization within Volvo Autonomous Solutions. So we say that at Volvo Autonomous Solutions we enable the foundation for autonomous transportation at scale. And we do that by developing the ATS, the Autonomous Transport Solution, which is a complete solution consisting of all the elements that are needed for an autonomous transportation. A transport management system, a fleet management system. Sometimes we talk about a cloud solution, from where you do the planning, the routing, the dispatching, the monitoring. That is included. We include operations, so you need to be able to operate the solution. For example, a driver today is performing tasks that are it's not driving. Those we need to handle. We include uptime. So we have to make sure to have a high uptime so that we can utilize the trucks. Repair and maintenance, collaboration with dealers, workshops. What happens if the solution breaks down? We need to handle that. And then we also include specific autonomous vehicle terminals. So you can say that from design to development to commercialization, it is focused on manufacturing and supporting a solution for serial production and scale.